Hello everyone, in front of me is Motorola Moto G9 Plus, and let me show you how to change keyboard language. First of all, open new message or any other area where you can input your text, so where you've got access to keypad, just like this. Now tap on settings icon, select languages, and tap add keyboard. Now select the language that you want to use. You can either scroll down till you find the language that you want to apply, or tap on search button and enter preferred language. Choose it, tap on done, and now remove unnecessary one. Just click on remove, mark the language to remove and select delete. Then once you go back, you will be able to see the brand new language. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.